Hello, good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. As you know that in accountancy, class 12th, in accountancy, which chapter is going on? Yes, admission of partner. Admission of partner chapter is going on. We have to calculate. We have to study till 12B क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो आप सभी ने 12B तक क्वेश्चंस बना लिया. बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच न्यू टॉपिक. ओके, इन एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर चैप्टर. टॉपिक इज दैट अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. ओके, तो अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल, तो यू नो ऑलरेडी गुडविल इज एन एसेट. गुडविल इज एन एसेट. Goodwill is an asset. So accounting treatment of goodwill as for accounting standard 26. Listen. The goodwill is an intangible asset, and goodwill of a firm is the result of efforts made by the existing partners of the firm in the past. Okay. Therefore, at the time of admission, the new partners who acquires the right to share the future profits of the firm must compensate the existing partners who have sacrificed their existing shares of profits in favor of new partners by making payment in the form of goodwill or premium. Goodwill or premium. The method of recording goodwill. So the following method of recording goodwill, so there are two following methods. First is premium method and second is revaluation method. The method of recording goodwill, premium method and revaluation method. Okay, listen. इसके method of recording goodwill. Okay, first is premium method. Okay, and second is revaluation method. Revaluation method. Okay, revaluation method. The method of recording goodwill, premium method and revaluation method. So premium method, when new partner brings cash for goodwill. Premium method, when new partners brings cash for goodwill. And revaluation methods, when new partners does not bring cash for goodwill. When new partners does not bring goodwill for cash. Bring cash for goodwill, sorry. And premium methods, when new partners bring cash for goodwill. Okay, so listen, premium method, this method is particularly followed when the new partner brings in cash for goodwill and the same is shared by the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Okay, and second, revaluation method. So this method is applicable particularly a number when the partner is unable to pay any amount for goodwill, but a goodwill account is raised in the books at its full value. Okay, the entry bring for number one for raising goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. Okay, goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. And second, when goodwill is closed or when the goodwill should not appear in the books, the entry being all partners old plus new capital account को डेबिट इन न्यू रेशियो. ओके, to goodwill account, to goodwill account. Number A, okay, number A, first and second. And next, number B, when the new partner brings a portion of goodwill in cash and is unable to pay the rest amount. Okay, but accounting standard 26, accounting standard 26 and new Indian accounting standard 38 does not allow this method. Okay, so accounting treatment in different situations, accounting treatment of goodwill, okay, in different situations. First, in case of admission of partner, there may be the following situation related to treatment of goodwill. First, when the amount of goodwill is paid privately. Second, when the new partners brings his share of goodwill in cash. Third, when the new partner brings his share of goodwill in kind of asset. Fourth, when the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay, and number fifth, hidden or inferred goodwill. Okay, hidden goodwill. After that, when goodwill is brought in cash and when goodwill is brought in cash paid privately. Listen, accounting treatment of goodwill when cash is brought for goodwill. Case 1 and case 2. In case 1, when goodwill is brought in cash and paid privately, and case 2, when goodwill is brought in cash. Okay, so first case 1, in case 1, under this method, and when goodwill is brought in cash and paid privately, so under this method the new partner brings in goodwill in cash and the old partner distributed among themselves. Partners distributed it among themselves. And case 2, when goodwill is brought in cash, so under this method new partner brings in goodwill in cash which is distributed among the old partners. Okay, distributed between the old partners, among the old partners. After the accounting, according to this method, there are three alternatives. First, when the amount of goodwill brought in by the new partner is retained in the business. And second, when the amount of goodwill brought in by the new partner is withdrawn by the old partners. And third, when the amount of goodwill is partially withdrawn by the old partners. Okay, anyhow, next, journal entry. Journal entry led to when goodwill brought in cash by the new partner is written in the business. First, for premium or goodwill brought in cash account debit, cash or bank account debit to premium or goodwill account, या only goodwill account. Okay, cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. And second, Harrison being goodwill brought in cash. Brought लिखिएगा. Yes, being goodwill brought in cash. And second, for capital brought in cash by the new partners, cash or bank account debit to new partners capital account. Okay, first is for goodwill and second is for cash only. And instead of above two entries, generally combined entries made. By the way, अगर कैश भी लाता है और गुडविल के लिए भी लाता है तो दोनों एंट्री करेंगे. कैश और बैंक अकाउंट को डेबिट करेंगे, टू में प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट, फिर टू में क्या करेंगे, न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट करेंगे. ओके, बीइंग कैपिटल एंड गुडविल ब्रॉट इन कैश. एंड नंबर थर्ड, फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गुडविल अमंग ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ये गुडविल अमाउंट को ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के द्वारा क्या होता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया जाता है इन ओल्ड रेशियो. प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू में ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, इन सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो being the amount of goodwill credit to old partners capital account. Sacrificing ratio में इसको क्या कर देंगे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट इसे नोट कर लीजिएगा. नोट्स नोट कीजिएगा. नोट 1 में लिखिएगा The amount of goodwill will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. If the new profit sharing ratio is not given, then goodwill will be distributed between partners in old sharing ratio. Second, the amount of goodwill when credited to old partners capital account enhance the amount of capital. Third, when the amount of goodwill is credited to the capital account of old partners, the goodwill account is closed. Okay. वो 1 नंबर, सेकेंड नंबर, थर्ड नंबर वो जनरलिटी बताया है, वो सिचुएशन था उसका क्या, when goodwill brought in cash and by the new partners is retained in the business. And second क्या है, when the amount of goodwill is withdrawn fully by old partners, मतलब पुराने साझेदारों के द्वारा पूर्ण रूप से उसको निकाल दिया जाता है. The fourth withdrawal of goodwill money by old partners कैपिटल अकाउंट को डेबिट टू में कैश और बैंक अकाउंट कर देंगे. ओके, तो ये आपका जर्नल एंट्री था. तो ये आप ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल से रिलेटेड लेक्चर था, आप इसको नोट कर लेंगे और इसको अध्ययन करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू. दिस वाज फॉर टुडे.